Good morning, Texans. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Seniors, please remember to get your scholarship offers into your counselors. That's every scholarship offer that you have received, not just the ones that you're using, not just the ones to your particular university, but every scholarship offer you've received. Get those lists to your counselor or to our counseling assistant, Miss Charlene Jackson. Get that to her really, really quickly. We are going to record legacy awards early next week, and so we really need to get that information in. Graduation honor cords, you have to purchase those online no later than May 19th. So go ahead and get those orders in. We sent out an email with information to all of our seniors and senior families. Please pull that up. If you have any questions, you are welcome to contact Ms. Ponce. That's eponce@nisdtx.org, and you can ask her those questions as well. But those are due on May 19th. And then continue to monitor your email for information on the pickup and return of items. Got quite a few things that are coming out, including yearbooks very soon. We'll have information for yearbook distribution and senior Chromebook return very soon. So be on the lookout for all of those items. Lots of communication forthcoming, friends. Those are all the announcements we have for you today. I love you, Texans. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again. Sounds like very soon. And I hope you make it a great day.